10, aka Fever. Man, there's a lot of stuff going on today, man. There's a lot of things going on. What I don't understand is, because, you know, I got this high performance car, or, you know, compared to my hoopty, it's a high performance car. Just got an oil change, man. I paid $39 for an oil change on my Scat, which regular price is $69, but I got a coupon for it. But my hoopty, the price, the oil change on my hoopty costs more than it do on my Scat. And I'm like, that is ridiculous, man. These dealerships are getting over. Like, come on, man. I got a hoopty. Why do it cost freaking 89, 90 bucks for an oil change on a hoopty? And the regular price for the Scat is 69 bucks right now to get an oil change, man. Man, it is ridiculous. It's just like shopping for used cars, man. I'm at the dealership. Ain't no brand new cars on the lot. It really ain't. But there's used cars on the lot. But you can go to some of these lots where I don't know what you call them, but where the trains, I guess they storage lots, storage lots, where the trains bring the new vehicles in and they store them there. It's a bunch of new vehicles at the train yard where they store the new vehicles, but they don't have new vehicles at the dealership. I don't get that. Another deal is, oh man, we about to wreck. Oh God. Like shopping for used vehicles, these dealerships, for example, Grubs, Infiniti, out in Grapevine. I went out there looking for a used vehicle. They will tax you, man. They had a, say like they had a vehicle listed for $34,500. And you look at it on the internet, oh, it looks good. But when you get there, you know, you find out, you know, the seats is damaged to the leather seats. Maybe some type of discoloration of the bumper because it's been in an accident. So try to talk them down on the price. They won't come down on the price. Instead, the salesman come back and added taxes or fees to the price. So instead of $34,500, you done added $1,700, $1,800 bucks, saying, oh, you had to change the brakes on the car, you had to do this to the car, you had to touch up paint the car, so therefore if I want to purchase it, I have to pay for that. No, I will not. So don't let these dealerships get over on you guys, man, if y'all trying to buy a used car, because when you trade in a used car, they take it to the back to do an estimate. They check the damage on it, or check the you know, to see if it's up to par or how clean you kept it, you know. That's how they get their value. And they depreciate, or they decrease or take off money from, you know, like if it's excellent, okay, we'll give you this amount for it, but since you have, you know, hail damage, bumper damage, whatever, we're gonna take off this. They deduct that already. So you can't deduct that from the person that's trading the car in and then turn around and charge the person that's purchasing the car, the used car. You already deducted that from the person that traded the car in. It came off the value. Then you try to charge somebody for it? Come on, man. Shoot, they full of it. Now you ain't getting me with that one. So you guys out there, if y'all doing that, if y'all searching for a used vehicle, y'all just make sure they not hitting you with the fees. And it used to be they'll ask you if you wanted to purchase an extended warranty for your vehicle. They don't do that anymore. The dude just came back, oh yeah, it's $4,000. He didn't explain what it was that he added to the vehicle. I had to ask him, well, hold on, what's this $4,000? Oh, that's the extended warranty, you know, this. I didn't ask for an extended warranty. If I didn't ask for an extended warranty, don't just put the extended warranty on there and then add your little fees. Shoot, I stood up on that for like, nah, I tell you what, I'ma leave my number. When you ready to sell this car at a decent price, you give me a call. So then I turn around and ask them, because you know what can I do to get your business? I said, okay, so if I was to pay cash for the car, how much would you come down? Oh no, we can't do that. We won't make any money from that. How will you not make money from me paying cash for the car? Well, you know, because our banks, you go through our finance company, that's how we make our money, you know, from the interest. I said, you know that don't make sense, right? Because I can go through your finance company, and then as soon as I get the first payment, I can just pay the car off in full, so your bank won't make no money. Oh, I didn't think of that. I'm like, man, these people out here crazy, man. They robbing us. So y'all pay attention to what's going on. Don't let these people get you. If you need to get a car, which I didn't really need to get a car, I was just out looking, just because I should have filmed the whole thing, because that would have been some good content. But I ain't been posting, man, because I've been either working or been sick, man. They got these viruses going around. It's killing people, I'm telling you. I don't even know. It's this new sickness going around. So y'all take care of yourself, man. I appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. Drop your comments. Let me know how you feel about the hidden fees or the extra fees once you get to the dealership trying to buy a used car. A used car. All right, y'all.
So much stress that they put all on, but